Alright, so we're gonna meet on Thursday. Oh, come on, it's a Saturday night. That is called, again, yes, it's Monday. What's that? Another? Tuesday. It's not called Tuesday. बहुत सारे लोगों जो है Tuesday. It's not called twist or something like that. It is called Tuesday and Wednesday. Or this is not called Wednesday. Wednesday. Okay. And that is called Thursday. 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 Okay. And then Friday. Saturday. What's that? Saturday. Saturday. And then Sunday. 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 Okay? Monday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Friday. Saturday. Sunday. Now you have learned the accent of the days. Okay? दिनों का आपने accent पढ़ लिया. लेकिन इसका ये मतलब नहीं हुआ कि आपको आ गया. अब ये आएगा किस तरह से? इसको आप जुमले में इस्तेमाल करें. Alright? जैसा कि alright, so we're gonna meet on Thursday. Okay? Okay. I'll call you on Friday. I'll call you on Friday. Oh, come on, it's a Saturday night. Okay. It's a Saturday night. Don't you know that the Sunday is a family day? Don't you know that this Sunday is a family day? Oh, really? I thought the Tuesday is a family day. You get my point? These are the way to drill and to practice. ये चीज चाहिए सर.